Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna play. What's that game? Don't keep the door locked. Where? And
Welcome to our hotel.
This is I am called Denise, and this is my friend called Michoy, and we are the duos.
The hotel has a strict no refund policy.
This hotel's so cool, bestie. Somebody's trying to break in. Who's breaking in? Leslie, come on, let's go kick the door on them. Let's go kick the door on them. I'm not even afraid. Come on. Sure. Let's go. Let's do this. Huh? What to fix it? Hey, yo. Maybe it's not an anomaly. Who's ringing? Go check
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left? So, you keep your door locked tonight, yeah? Somebody's gonna knock. Don't open it. Just take a peek first. Peephole, the little camera, whatever. If they're talking weird, that ain't a person. Trust me. So yeah, don't let them in.
Sure.
Just chill. Wait it out. Oh, and keep the curtain closed. If the window starts tapping, go check it. Quick though, don't take your time. If power cuts out, you get to the breaker and flip it. Fast.
Oh, this is
One
like
more
the
thing.
cotton candy shop.
Don't ever sleep alone. There's something in that bathroom. Wait for the others. Sleep together.
Oh,
It
I'm
won't touch
gonna
your full room.
stay. Yeah. You're keeping me
Stay in your
out.
room.
Dude.
Don't die. You'll be fine. Probably.
I said skip it.
Anyway.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Ay, talaga?
Bruh. I cannot see. Go check. Bestie, go check the I see the people. Go check the peephole.
We're very sad. You're sad? Yeah.
That's not actually human. Bestie, come on, check the peephole. I don't want. You do it. I check the people again. You're brave, right? You go check the people. Find out. I got the ad. Human.
Uy! Ay! Sige na nga, ate. Gawin siya.
Di ba naman ganyan? Inkan, bobo.
Di ba kasi
He's a good guy.
Titingnan ka ni Sai, nag-blush ka guys sa sobrang kilig mo sa...
Now, guys, sleeping time. Sleep time. Guys, it's time to sleep.
Ikaw yung kanina.
Sure.
Gusto ko. Bala ko mas ba? Ang gusto nga niya, bumaba kami.
When they do.
Ako na naman. Baka harapin na naman kami ng mga kalalakihang aso.
Shut up, you You just said that. Alright, guys, let's clean up this mess. I need to check the camera. There's no people yet.
Ang dami mo nga. Ay, alam ko na.
You're still here.
Para mag-crossing na kaya hakutin na namin
Okay.
yung pauwi mo dyan.
That's great. Most folks don't make it past the first night. Good for you. So, look, same deal as last night. Door stays shut. Don't believe anybody out there. It gets worse the longer you stay. Just so you know.
Sabi ni Ilong,
But hey, you already know that, don't you?
kahit na naman kayo.
Anyway, I'm not gonna lie. Say fine.
Ayoko uwi.
Good luck tonight. Really.
Ayoko uwi.
Hindi ko na kinaya ang aking...
Si Bestie, katsa si Ate Dana.
May pasok anak.
Bestie, come on.
Ayan, sis. May sis ka pala ako.
pala din yung may anak mo eh.
Who's ducking? Oh, she! Don't let him in. Don't let that guy in.
Meron Alfonso.
Eh,
Like, 400. Mas mura pa nga ito pieces for 20. Yung Alfonso, 420 pesos ang
Can I peek?
discount.
Yeah, let me let's peek.
Grabe.
What's the time mat, guys?
Di pa rin makamove on sa Tenten. Nanay pa, why you didn't come here? Tita Chess house kanina. Kahit, ayun.
Okay, he's a good guy. Let's go sleep. Let's sleep again.
Kasi pa, why you didn't come here? Tita Chess house kanina. Yun nga, kasi kami pupuntahan. Sabi niya,
Okay, Sam, shut up, you freaking alarm.
oh my God, oh my God. Kami nauya.
I hate your alarm.
Sabi ko sa luha eh.
No, it's time to clean. Yay. Yay.
Ilagay niya sa cart talaga din. Sige, galagay sa cart. Sige, galagay sa cart. Tapos maya-maya. Kahit nasa biyahe na kami. Donut. Wow.
Oh, he got a knife. He got a knife. Oh, don't you dare let that guy in. Don't you freaking
Ito may
dare.
mura,
Let's take a
40
peek.
pero doon, 20 lang. 1 liter.
Can I peek? Yes. Why does he walk like that? Yeah.
Yung dating mini stock, kaya ang dyan pa ngayon.
Is he really right now, though?
Alfonso Brandy Light, 700
Oh, it's two guys. Oh. Right. There's a spider. There's a spider, guys.
Ang nandito,
Guys, there's a spider.
60 says,
Ay.
420.
Oh my God, there's a spider. Yeah, there's a spider. We'll go take a peek.
Mojitos,
Ay,
mojitos
sleeping
sticker
time.
tayo, 407.
Sabi ko nga,
Huh? Bestie, it's time to sleep.
Tayo naman niya. Ako na lang kailangan kami, di ba?
We're going to sleep.
Bago sa break na. Ibang gamit sa mga bakal doon.
Oh my God, why the... I hate you, alarm. I really made it to basement. Yeah, we're actually doing a little good. Where's the spider?
Natuto ka ba talaga? O hindi? Nakapag-drive ka ba?
Bestie, it's the spider stealing your rent, Bestie. What? The spider stealing.
Post niya yung mga nandoon, di ba?
I want to see the knock the door. Oh, why does he look like that? Let's go take a peek. Go take a peek. Sure. Wait. What the freak? Why do you look like an anomaly to me? Why do you look like... You look like an anomaly to me. Like, why are you staring at me, dude? Is there something wrong? Alright, just go take a peek.
Ay, close din ba yun? Bakit lahat close?
I will find you. I will find you. He better not tap on you.
7-Eleven to
Sa Andre yung 7-Eleven. Bibig niya hindi na close. Ganito lang ang gilagid ko ng...
Bestie, look at me. It's like a duck.
Hey, your lights just tripped the breaker. You'll need to head out to the hall panel and reset it yourself. Go out and turn left and you will find the breaker box. I'm not doing it.
You go. Oh, you're going first. You're going first. I don't want. Cause all this goes first. Cause I don't want to be a thief. I don't want. Come on, dude. I'll come by behind. Mary! Come on, please. We won't finish the game. Just do it yourself. Fine, but you have to come by behind me.
May mas mura. 90 pesos. ESM. Round.
think I died.
You died?
Pwede, may light scene naman yun.
How did you die?
Ano ba? Balik na?
Bestie, I died. Alright, water drops. Alright, water drops. This is the end of the video. Bye.